Okay, I'm going to get personal here. When the COVID pandemic hit, I was working at a large urban public safety net hospital. We all saw what was happening in New York, and we were, to say the very least, scared shitless about what would happen in our hometown. Together with every hospital in our city and region, we got as ready as we could possibly get. Were we adequately staffed? How many vacant beds did we have? How much personal protective equipment? Ambulance capacity, ventilators, IV bags, tubes, gloves. If we were hit as hard as New York, we figured we'd run out of necessary supplies in hours, not days or weeks. As we started seeing patients who were in fact very sick, we hung on every word of the CDC's daily briefings for clues about the progress of the disease, how it was being transmitted, who were the most vulnerable. Then the Trump administration decided to turn the briefings into a political circus. The CDC's well respected scientists were muzzled. No more daily conference calls. Trump started doing the briefings himself, repeating his misunderstood misinformation, saying there were no new cases, that COVID would disappear like a miracle, questioning whether people should ingest bleach, use hydroxychloroquine or ivermectin. Trump mostly surrounded himself with toadies who would silently nod along with his stupid nonsense. But there was one expert who refused to go along, and that was Dr. Anthony Fauci. His face didn't mask over the stupidity he was hearing. He visibly winced when Trump gave voice to his nonsense. Fauci spoke directly, honestly, plainly. He urged common sense approaches to safeguard public health and safety. Get vaccinated, mask, maintain social distancing. These reasonable recommendations revealed Trump and his cronies to be liars of the worst kind, who put Americans at greater and unnecessary risk for their personal benefit. That Fauci is now being singled out by the cowards in the Senate is no surprise. They're just trotting out Trump's stupid old lies to score political points for themselves. During the pandemic, Fauci was the only, and I mean only, federal government official who had the guts to speak the truth in public. To those of us who experienced the realities of COVID on a daily basis and knew how bad it was, Fauci was a hero, and he still is.